Are you in a video?
Maybe. Oh hell no! Bitch, don't kill me! Oh, what the heck? Alright, Jayla. I love you.
They don't know who I was.
Roar!
I went loud that time. I was up too jumping.
What I do? I
Sucker.
ain't do nothing.
That never happened.
What?
Damn, why are you fucking lame? Stop the light.
You ain't even videotaping it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Take a win for you too.
Shut up. I'm gonna need you to get him off the floor.
And I'll go over there.
She came on my nose. Oh man. That sounded bad.
Oh wait, what could?
Did you record that?
We know that if we get to that camera, we're gonna break it.
Let me see it.
That's why
Ah!
I'm a book bag on my tip.
God.
Sir.
How you doing?
How you doing? Alright.
Like he smells funky.
What? Somebody needs to close their legs. They need to close their legs. I smell that. The wind is blowing.
And it's going this way to that side.
It's like right to my nose. I need to breathe. I thought fresh air.